This looks good. I
wanted that piece. All right, this one. I want one with a garlic and...
Okay.
It's so fluffy and crispy. Good job.
Gluten-free focaccia. Nice.
Cheers.
Hey, I'm John.
And I'm Katie. And welcome to Pizza with Plants. So what are we making today?
Today, we are making focaccia. But not only are we making homemade focaccia, but we are going to make it gluten-free. You could absolutely do this recipe with traditional flour, but we wanted to, and we have, and yes, and it has turned out phenomenal. That high pitch, that was good. I got a good range.
That was impressive.
I should be a singer. Probably not.
No,
yes.
let's not.
Let's not be a singer.
No.
It's a great recipe, either way, gluten-free or traditional. And we're going to be...
It's still nice and fluffy, which is the main point, because you think of gluten-free focaccia, you're like
it said,
you're thinking a squashed, tough, and it's not.
No,
it's
this
light, fluffy,
you're going to love
and you wouldn't know it was gluten-free.
Not in the least.
Yeah.
So let's make some focaccia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yum.
We'll start mixing our focaccia by adding our water, yeast, and flour into the mixer and giving it an initial mix. Once it's combined, we'll scrape down the edges and add our salt. We'll give it another mix until it's nice and light and fluffy, and then we'll add our olive oil. Then we'll give it a final mixing to make sure all those ingredients are nice and incorporated. We'll prepare our pan with a heavy dousing of olive oil and spread it all around. Then we'll first scrape the paddle to not waste one little bit of that focaccia dough and get the rest of it into our pan. And then we'll slowly, gently press the dough out to the edges of the pan. From there, we'll cover it with saran wrap and we're going to pop it into our proofing box to rise. It's really amazing how well this dough rises. You would never know it was gluten-free. Once it's risen to your standards, apply a layer of olive oil over the top. Add your toppings such as garlic or rosemary, and then use your fingertips to dimple the top so that you get that perfect focaccia. And if you're like John, then you can add more seasonings on top of that. From there, we're going to pop it into the oven. Watch it till it's a nice golden brown, and then it's ready to eat.
This looks really yummy.
All our stuff looks really yummy.
It does.
Well, except for sometimes. It tastes good. Might not always look yummy.
Right.
But it does.
But this looks good.
I wanted that piece. All right, this one. I want one with a garlic and...
Okay.
It's so fluffy and crispy. Good job.
Gluten-free focaccia. Nice.
Cheers. We should have had some olive oil.
Look at that. It's like an Easter egg.
Yeah.
But garlic. This is tasty.
You would never know this is gluten-free.
Never, ever, ever. And our dogs want in because...
No, we're going to serve this because we're not going to eat the whole thing ourselves because that would be fun, but not good.
This is really
We'll
yummy.
do a test tonight. We're going to share this with a friend and we'll see if they pass the is it gluten-free or not test. And I'm sure they will fail.
So yummy. The garlic tastes great. And
the olive oil is just,
The dried oregano that we used was actually from fresh oregano that we dried. Makes all the difference in the world, I think. If you can get your hands on fresh herbs and then dry them.
Or use them while they're fresh.
Right, but sometimes you need dried herbs.
Right,
and
that's true.
If you can get them fresh, dry them yourself, so much better. So, nicely done. Phenomenal. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
And focaccia.
Do I have oregano on my face?
You have oregano all over your face.
Okay.
It's on your forehead, your glasses. It's everywhere.
Great.
See ya.